Being able to achieve and maintain an erection for a satisfying intercourse is what most men take for granted, especially in their 20s and 30s. However, in the later years, some men are unable to sustain their erection or even get an erection at all. Sometimes, this may lead to tension between man and his partner and cause friction in the relationship. There are various causes of erectile dysfunction and most of them can be treated. In this video, I'll explain erection problems, the possible causes, and how to fix it effectively. My name is Harrison Chibuka. I'm a Nigerian pharmacist. If this is your first time here, please do well to subscribe and like this video. Now, what actually is erectile dysfunction? During sexual stimulation, the brain sends signal through the nerves to the blood vessels in the penis. These signals causes the walls of the blood vessels to relax and widen, which in turn increases the flow of blood into the penis. Now, because more blood is entering than leaving the penis, it becomes engorged with blood, causing it to elongate and stiffen, which now in turn leads to an erection. After sexual activity, the blood is allowed to flow out of the penis again, and it returns to its normal flaccid soft state. But in the case of erectile dysfunction, these events do not occur normally, which leads to difficulty in achieving or maintaining an erection adequate for satisfying sexual activity. How common is erectile dysfunction? Very common. In a survey of men aged 35 to 70 in the Western Cape, 7 out of every 10 said they had some degree of erectile dysfunction. The chances of having erectile dysfunction increases as a man grows older. It's also important to note that erectile dysfunction is not an inevitable consequence of aging, and many men do enjoy a satisfying sex life well into their 70s and 80s. It is used to be thought that the most common cause of erectile dysfunction was psychological, but we now understand that only a minority of men with erectile dysfunction have purely psychological causes. Some common causes of erectile dysfunction include atrial diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, abnormal cholesterol levels, cigarette smoking, obesity, overindulgence in alcohol, conditions of the nervous system like stroke, Alzheimer's disease, chronic medical conditions like kidney disease, coronary heart disease, radiotherapy to the pelvis, or psychological as a result of stress, strained relationship, anxiety, and depression. There are also many types of medication that can cause erectile dysfunction as a side effect. Some of these include some blood pressure lowering medications, diuretics, some antidepressants, some types of cholesterol lowering medications, some anti-epileptics. Can erectile dysfunction be cured completely? Yes. Addressing the underlying cause of erectile dysfunction may successfully and permanently return sexual function to normal. Controlling the risk factors like exercising, stopping smoking, avoiding excessive intake of sugary beverages, maintaining a healthy diet can help improve erectile function. Many men have this problem but feel uncomfortable discussing it with someone else. While it's understandable, if you have difficulty in sexual activity because of erection problem, talking to your partner or a pharmacist is essential so as to help you find the best solution to this. There are a lot of medications out there for erectile dysfunction, but it's very important that whatever drug or medication you choose, you must first discuss this with your healthcare provider. Some simple ways to boost testosterone level that has been scientifically proven includes 1. Ginger. It contains gingerol, which boosts sexual health, testosterone level, and reduces oxidative stress by improving blood circulation and overall reproductive health. You can use ginger in several ways to boost reproductive health. Some of the ways include ginger tea, ginger and honey mix, ginger smoothie with banana, milk, and nuts, ginger and garlic combo, which is the strongest for circulation and testosterone. Garlic is one of the best natural remedy for improving sexual health because of its ability to enhance blood circulation and increase testosterone levels. Garlic also have the ability to increase nitric oxide production. It also contains allicin, a compound that helps relaxes the blood vessel and improve blood flow to the sexual organ, leading to stronger and lasting erection for better performance. The best way to use it is to crush 1 or 2 garlic cloves and let it to set for 10 minutes. This activates the allicin. Swallow with warm water every morning on an empty stomach. Red meat in moderation. Red meat is a powerful natural booster because it is rich in zinc, iron, and B vitamins, all of which supports testosterone production, stamina, and overall energy levels. Oyster is also another natural aphrodisiac with a massive boost in testosterone and libido. Pomegranate is also a powerful natural booster for sexual health, rich in antioxidants that improve blood flow, enhance stamina, and support testosterone production. Eggs. Eggs are rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins that support testosterone levels, energy, and stamina. Choose any one of these and take it consistently for at least 2 weeks and watch your libido and erection increase drastically. Kegel exercise. Kegel exercise is one of the best ways to improve stamina, strength, and overall performance. They strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which are responsible for controlling ejaculation and maintaining erection. Some great supplements to take daily instead of the fast-acting sildenafil or tadalafil that could lead to problems subsequently include vitamin D or zinc supplements. Now to the most important part, there are some foods that we eat daily that are really destroying our testosterone level, some of which include sugary beverages, excessive alcohol intake, cigarette smoking, hard drugs, and lack of exercise. If your erectile dysfunction is not as a result of the factors I mentioned earlier, such as chronic disease or stress, doing this and managing them effectively can increase your sexual health, leading to a more prolonged and satisfying intercourse with your partner. If you found this video helpful, do well to hit the subscribe button for more tips like this. Like, share, and comment on the best techniques you're going to try out today. Thank you and see you on the next one.